Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to learn how to edit our videos using the inshot app. When you open the inshot app, you will be presented with three options. The first option is used for editing videos, the second option is used for editing photos, and the last option is used for putting multiple photos inside a frame.
Well, for continuing our work, we select the first option, which is the video. You are now seeing three options that we need to know their use. The first option is for displaying only videos. The second option is for displaying only photos. And the last option is for importing both photos and videos into the project at the same time. Click on each of these options to enter them. Now select your photos and videos and click on the Confirm button below. Well, when you enter this section, hit the play button and you will see the navigation bar at the bottom start moving. You can put your finger on this bar and move it to any part of your video and make the changes you want. For example, if I want to trim this video, all I have to do is put my finger on the navigation bar and reach the point where I want and hit the split button, and your video will be split into two pieces just that easily. Be sure to follow our channel and watch the upcoming tutorials where we explain all the settings for you.